Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2018 Honda Civic Si. I have not driven a lot of these. I have driven a bunch of Type Rs and the Integra Type S, as well as the new Si and the gen before this, but I haven't tried this gen yet, and it is really good. So, I'm sure a lot of you may know, this gen does not have VTEC. It is a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 205 horsepower, 192 pound-feet of torque. So a lot of people were upset about the change to non-VTEC and turbo, especially if you've driven the previous gen or if even touched an S2000. You understand how special that motor was and how the high revving VTEC 4-cylinders were absolutely amazing. I still like this. It is a lot of fun. Si seats are extremely comfortable. Definitely one of the best seats. Cloth bucket seats, not in a Type R or anything like that. Extremely comfortable. 6-speed manual. Honda makes some of the best manual transmissions in the game. One thing the turbocharger makes up for is a lack of low-end torque. I noticed in the previous gen SIs. I mean, but some of the fun in that car was having to wring the thing out. But I find myself not having to wring this thing out to get the power and have fun. I mean, we're at 2,500 RPM, and it's giving me all the boost I need. However, that's not to say this isn't a rev-happy motor. It is more than happy to rev. I mean, heel toe is nice and easy, and if you want to chase redline, you can and have fun. The one thing, I know somebody's going to comment it, so I'm just going to address the elephant in the room. Rev hang. It can be tuned out, as far as I'm aware. This one's bone stock, and that's the way I'd buy one if I was looking at them, and then tune it from there. So some people might wonder why rev hang is a thing. It actually has to do with efficiency, because if you close off the throttle or the air getting into the engine right away, you have those burbles, and those are caused by unburnt fuel. I'll continue this. So the reason rev hang is there is for efficiency and to meet fuel economy requirements, because what happens is you have a lot of that unburnt fuel and you're essentially using more fuel than the engine's actually consuming. So using that rev hang, it makes sure all the fuel is burnt before getting back into the throttle. Thoroughly amazed at how good these cars are. This platform is unreal, and even the Type R, I'm blown away. This is a perfect middle ground. It really is. If you don't want to swing for the Type R, This is phenomenal. I'm gonna try starting second. First gear is really, really short. Okay, so wheel hop's a thing. Oh, I hate that. Man, this is good. This is really, really good. I see why these things are so popular now. I've kind of, after living with the Hellcat, yes, the horsepower is amazing. But I've gotten into the horsepower, or no, the platform phase where I really enjoy a good platform rather than just outright what has the most power. And I feel like everybody at first is all about horsepower. Oh, I can get this for 30 grand, it has 500 horsepower. Yeah, a car with a lot of horsepower is a lot of fun just because of the power. But you kind of grow up and you realize, no, I think a good platform really is what makes a car good to drive. And this one is just that. It is a really, really fun to drive platform, and something I could see myself coming back just to take this thing on a back road and really enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.